Hi everyone! For our lesson today in math, we are going to do patterns. If you remember, we did patterns last week and we did A-B patterns. Today, we are going to do A-B patterns. Let's find out what our learning goal is for this lesson. Our learning goal is I can create an AAB pattern. If you remember, a pattern repeats. It's an arrangement of numbers, colors, shapes, or objects. If you can see from the example on your screen, we have an example of an AAB pattern. So we have strawberry and a beach ball. We have strawberry, strawberry, beach ball, strawberry, strawberry, beach ball, strawberry, strawberry, and a beach ball. So the A in this pattern is the strawberry, and the B is the beach ball. So we have A, B, A, B, A, B. We have an AAB pattern using strawberries and a beach ball. And now, I want you to join me as we build together an AAB pattern. I will show you how to make an AAB pattern. So we have an apple, an orange, apple, and an orange. So if you can see in this AAB pattern, the A is an apple, the B is an orange. So apple, orange, apple, orange. I wonder what's next in this AAB pattern. Remember, A is for apple, and B in this pattern is for orange. And we are making an AAB pattern. The next one in this pattern is an apple. And the next one is an orange. So if you can see, we have apple, orange, apple, orange, apple, orange. And that makes an AAB pattern. A, B. A, B. A, B. Now, it's time to create your own AAB pattern. These are the things you can use to make your pattern. The red and blue fish link in the lesson plan document, utensils such as forks and spoons, clothing such as socks and shoes. Remember, you can always use your own objects of your own choice to show us your own AAB pattern. Remember, show off your work. Please send us a photo of your amazing AAB patterns.